Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to add clickable link in Canva. Well, the first step is to create a new design, although it also works if you already have one clearly created. Well, once you have your design, you will have to choose an element in which you want it to be clickable. In my case, it will be this one here. Now right-click on it, Link, and here you put in the link you want. Okay, now it is important that you pay attention. This file will not be clickable if you export it in PNG or JPG, so we will click on Share, Download, and in File Type we will have to choose PDF. Or in case you want to do it for a website, you should go to Share, See All, and click on Embed. And here you have the code. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.